One of the things that you'll always find me doing here in our home is coming up with alternative ways to make the foods that we love. One of them being the sweet potato casserole or those candy yams. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel. Now you already know those sweet potato casseroles and those candy yams where you take the sweet potato and then you smother it in all those sugars, right? Yeah, you guys. So you take that innocent little sweet potato and then you fill it with the sugar, and then you ultimately have turned it into something that could be toxic to your system. Refined sugar, not a good thing. But the good news is you still can enjoy the sweet potatoes. It is a complex carb, which means that it breaks down slowly in your sugar and does not spike your blood sugar level like a white potato would. And guys, all you have to do, okay, is take this little thing, bake it, and when you bake it, let me just show you what happens. It has natural sugars in it. Natural sugars, not the artificial stuff, natural sugars, not like the refined stuff. And look at this. Let me give you a close up. See that, you guys? Those are the natural sugars. So you don't need to add any. But again, it's one of those things where you grow up, you eat things a certain way, you become accustomed to them, your palate becomes accustomed to them, and you don't want to deviate from them because they are good. But today, I'm going to share with you how you still can enjoy this without putting all that sugar on it, simply by baking it. Let me get a little trivet here because it's hot. All right, put that there. And then once you bake it and it becomes nice and hot and all those, look at that, all those sugars, that syrup starts to come out, then you can cut it open and then layer it with the things that you love that are healthy, okay? You can put the butter on it still. You've got your cinnamon, okay? If you want it on the sweeter side, you can add in a sweetener such as a swerve. I've got some pecans here. And then I also have some candied pecans that I made on the stovetop. Butter, swerve, and the pecans. Just that simple. And you slice this baby open, you guys. I'm telling you, it's phenomenal. We had this for Thanksgiving just like this. So good. And guess what else too? It is a time saver. Oh, look at this. Come in close and take a look at this. Hey, look at that deliciousness. Guys, I truly believe that once you have a sweet potato like this, in its natural form, you will not go back, because the other way, like I said, that's how I grew up. Absolutely delicious, absolutely phenomenal. I am not even going to kid you, okay, as far as that is concerned. Love sweet potato casseroles, loved candy yams. But when you know better, you do better. When you get older, there's just some things that you can't do anymore, right? And that is one of them. And when you eat a sweet potato this way, you eat it in its natural state, you can taste, okay, the natural goodness of this. I don't know if it's a fruit or vegetable, okay, but anyway, it's good. So again, you've got the same things that you typically would put into sweet potato casserole or a candy yam, except it's not sugar, okay? This is the swerve. You got your cinnamon here and your nuts. And if you like a little bit of butter on it, you can do that too. I can just slice it right out of the fridge. Put that down in there. And the heat from this potato is melting it. Oh, right? Like I said, if you want some of the sweetener, you want some nuts on, I think I'm gonna put a few little nuts up here. And you guys, with this, you get ready to enjoy life. Take this paper off because it is that good. I promise you. Lord, I thank you. Give it a try. I'm giving 2 tries. Guys, the key to it all is to keep it simple, keep it healthy, and keep it delicious. I want to thank you all so very much for joining me. And remember, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel and you like what I'm doing here, please do remember to hit that subscribe button below. And also please do give this video a like and share this with someone that you know needs to turn that page on a better future when it comes to their diet. All right, you guys, love you all. And I'll see you right here real soon, and enjoy. That's amazing. Mm-hmm.